Hello, everybody. Welcome to NDTV's news segment, Know Your MP. In the last few years, we've seen several people from different fields of life come to politics. Here is Dr. Radha Mohan Agarwal, who is from Uttar Pradesh. He's a pediatrician by training, and he has had an accomplished career, not just in Lok Sabha, but also somebody who's organizationally very important in the BJP. Sir, आपकी जो entry हुई politics में, why did you as a doctor come to
See, we
politics?
were from the childhood, very childhood. We were our assistants.
जनवरी में मिलते हैं आओगे ना तुम
Then we came studying also in becoming ABP.
पूरा टीम रहेगा
Then later on, so many para organizations like Swദേശി Jagran Manch, Kashmir Bachao Manch, Pragya Prabha, Social Welfare. So this has been part of my life. Once I came back to Gorakhpur after graduating and doing post-graduation in pediatrics, I established my clinic. But I used to see so many persons coming to us not satisfied with the system. And not only that, we have seen majority of the children, once we treat them, they go back and they again come back with the same disease. Because most of the diseases are not entirely physical diseases. They are related to so many other factors. So that was also a sort of treatment, and this also is a sort of treatment. I am also trying to see that the politics goes in a proper way, what it used to be during independence, especially. And I am making my efforts to see how much changes can I bring to my process also.
Absolutely. So when your family, when you told them that you're getting into politics, how did they feel about it?
Since they knew that since very beginning I have been part of social and socio-political organizations, they all knew that I am a part and parcel of it. There was nothing new about it. Only thing is they were worried about my financial status, which in fact has suffered a lot. I used to be one of the very most popular child specialists of Eastern Uttar Pradesh. Now my bread and butter is only the salary which I receive from this parliament. So except for the financial constraints, everybody is very happy.
Right. So you also come from Gorakhpur, which is politically very potent, not just for Uttar Pradesh, but also for the whole country. You've also seen as representing the seat that Yogi Adityanath also comes from, and also you're in charge of states like Karnataka. How do you see the mix match of these kind of responsibilities?
There's no mismatch. You see, every type of politics, whether you do public politics or you do organization. I have been MLA for 20 years. Go back to my Gorakhpur and find out. And you will say, I should not say myself, you will know how people love me. So I have done that public politics for 20 years. Now party wants me to do work for the party. And beside that, I am there in Rajya Sabha to fight for the various public causes. So I can say that is just an expansion of what I have done for last 20 years. I am doing party work also. I was in charge of Kerala, in charge of Lakshadweep. Now I am in charge of Karnataka and Rajasthan, the National General Secretary. Party has made me chairman standing committee of home affairs. It's an important committee. So I am trying to contribute whatever my party asks me to do.
Right.
And that I am doing, and as far as I am concerned, I don't know what my leaders say. As far as I am concerned, I am satisfied that I am doing this.
Okay. And so what is that one best thing that you think you've done in politics?
You see, politics is gradually losing its what you call as credit. Political personalities are not given due respect. Each and every politician is putting so much of effort to the public. We work throughout the day. And then also I must say that people have lost faith in politics and politicians. So what I can at least say is I am there in politics for the last 25 years. People believe that politics can be good also and a politician can also be good also. So probably that is one. And second thing, we believe in our Vichardhara. We believe in our BJP, RSS leaders. We have never changed it. Irrespective. When party in 2022 asked me to leave the seat, do not contest from the party side, sit at home, I left the seat. I sat at home and worked for the candidate who was given from the party side. So what I feel is, one has to be honest to the working, and two, one has to be honest to the party also. If you have two honesties, you will be always honest to the country. That much I can say.
My last question to you, sir. What was the most challenging time for you as a politician, and what was the happiest time for you as a politician?
Nothing is challengeable and nothing is happiest. The time frame of life is too small to chase. Too short. History is not made for 5, 10 years or 20 years. It's made thousands of years. Where our existence is a very small, meager existence. So nothing makes us happy and nothing makes us sad. Everything we have to take, sukha dukhe samay krutva, labha labho jaya jayo, tato yuddhai yujasvo nayo. This is what Gita has said. सुख हो दुख हो लाभ हो अलाभ हो सबको बराबर से देखो, युद्ध करो और ऐसे युद्ध में जीतोगे हारोगे गाली खाओगे प्रशंसा खाओगे ऊपर वाला कोई पाप नहीं लगाएगा। तो जीवन का यही लक्ष्य होना चाहिए कि जीवन में कोई पाप न लगे। हम जब यहाँ से जाएंगे, सबको जाना है, मेरी उम्र अब बढ़ रही है, मैं भी एक दिन जाऊँगा। जब जाऊँ तो संतुष्टि रहे कि भगवान ने जो आदमी का शरीर बना करके भेजा था। वो कबीर दास ने लिखा है ना कि जस की तस रख दीनी चदरिया, मैंने उस चादर को वैसे ही रख करके मैं यहाँ से गया हूँ। मेरे मन में ये संतुष्टि का बोध होना चाहिए, वो है।
Thank you so much, Dr. Radha Mohandas Agarwal. Thank you so much for your time. This was Meet Your MP segment in NDTV, and that was pediatrician turned politician Radha Mohandas Agarwal from Gorakhpur.